would have right now. Oh, wait. It is not recorded yet. Okay, let's wait. Um, Okay, all right. So, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Thank you for joining the session. So, this is actually like a chit chat, live chit chat. Yeah, first thing, I miss all of you because we are not in the class now, and I'm not really sure when are we allowed to go back to the class. Okay, even I myself, okay, I have to apply if I need to go to the office to take my things. I have to apply. There are two forms that I have to fill in. Then, then I can go to the office once it is approved. So right now, I would like to share with you what are the things that you need to know. Okay, just to get prepared for the coming opening, which is scheduled by the 1st of June. Okay, so I'm going to share with you some things. Right, let me share the screen. Where's the information? I think I've done the information. Yeah, okay. So this is the information. All right. If you notice in UMP portal, okay, yes, okay. All right. If you notice in UMP portal, all right, it has been uploaded there. Okay, it has been uploaded there. The revised version of this semester. Where is the academic calendar? Yeah. Okay. So if you notice here, the lecture will start by the 1st of June. Okay. 2020 until the 31st of June 31st of July 2020. So it's going to be 9 weeks. So that day we stop until week 6. So the rest of the things will be continued by the 1st of June. Okay. So can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So just to let you know that we are going to end this semester by the 23rd of August 2020. Okay. Because of the pandemic, there's nothing else that we can do. So we have to deal with this thing. So again, 1st of June, we're going to start our class, okay? But you don't have to worry because we had few discussion with the Vice Chancellor and also the teaching team and also the Center for Modern Languages. All right. So we have decided that, okay, this is going to be like a self-paced learning. Have you heard of self-paced learning?
No.
No? Okay, right. So we are now in the process of recording the instructional materials. I mean, the video, the slides, and everything. Okay, we are in the process of recording. So, okay, the content, all right, and then it will be uploaded to a platform. Okay, most probably it will be in Kalam, or I will think of other alternatives as well. Okay, so because we are not going to depend only on Kalam. All right, I know that you don't like Kalam because you told me in the class before. But Kalam is going to be our official platform. Okay, so official platform is Kalam, but at the same time, maybe we're going to use the other platform like Facebook. We also have the Facebook. We also have the Facebook account, Facebook group, so that you can use it to watch the video. So what you're going to do in self-paced learning, all right? So it is up to you, okay, watch the video to learn and everything, okay? But as an instructor, I will be facilitating the learning process. I mean that, okay, our class normally is like 12 o'clock, okay? So normally it's at 12 o'clock. So it doesn't mean by 12 o'clock, you have to join the class, okay? So the class will be conducted asynchronous meaning that not concurrent. So it doesn't mean, okay, let's say our class is 12 o'clock. You don't have to be online by 12 o'clock. No. All right. You don't have to meaning that you have to be online by 12 o'clock. So you can just join the class. Okay. But okay, this is the deal. during our class session, okay, for example, like 12 to 2, I will be online, okay, I will be sitting in front of the computer, okay, waiting for your question. If you have anything, okay, you can ask me through WhatsApp, you can ask me through Facebook Messenger, you can also ask the question in Facebook, or you can ask me, sir, can we have a forum, okay, in our, what do you call it, in our kalam, for example, that you can go there and then you can ask questions. So it shouldn't be a problem. All right. So self-paced learning, it is at your own time. Okay. It is at your own time. Meaning that, okay, um, let's say the internet in your area is only okay by 1 a.m., 1 in the morning, for example. Okay. So you can start learning by 1 o'clock in the morning. It is up to you. All right. So the content will be given in a video form. Okay. So maybe it is going to be uploaded in YouTube. So you can get the link, or we are going to put it or upload it in Kalam. Okay. So you can go to Kalam, and in this case, okay, I am also using other platform. For example, I am using Facebook. So I'm going to upload the video to Facebook. You can go to your Facebook and then go to our Facebook group, and then you can watch the video here. Okay, you can keep on watching the video. It's not going to be very long. It's like 5 to 10 minutes per video. One video is 5 to 10 minutes. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, so you can keep on watching it, and then you can do the exercises. Okay, and then when it comes to the assessment,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I'm showing you again the assessment. So we have 5 assessment altogether. So we have done only assessment one, note
Mm-hmm.
taking and note making.
Yes.
Okay, I couldn't release the marks yet because they are, what do you call it, dealing with the system at this moment. So that's why I couldn't release the marks yet. Okay, so we still have self-access activity. Okay, self-access activity. This is going to be conducted using Socrative. Okay, so we are allowing you to do it. Okay, the questions will be shuffled, so no one will be having the same questions. Let's say question number one, no one will be having the same question, so it's going to be totally different. Okay, so for Socrative, you're going to have it online. Okay, meaning that you can do it at your own pace. So we are going to open the access, for example, one day. Instead of 2 hours, it's going to be one day. So for the whole day, you can keep on trying answering the question until you are fully satisfied. Okay,
Mm.
all right. So this is for assessment two, Socrative. So you can keep on trying it, okay, until you are fully satisfied. Okay, so we discussed about the assessment two, self-access activity. So maybe we decided to, okay, maybe, all right, it's going to be one whole day instead of 1 hour and 40 minutes over here. Okay, or normally I open it during the class for 2 hours. All right, we are going to have it open to you for one whole day. So meaning that, okay, it is not only 12 to 2, you can also do it later. And if you need more time, you can do so. All right. So that is for assessment two. So for midterm test, it is going to be reading and writing summary. Okay. All right. So beginning 1st of June, you are going to watch the video on reading first, followed by writing summary. Okay. So it is very important. So right now we are preparing the materials. Next Thursday, we're going to discuss about the materials. Okay, everything will be uploaded to the team folder. We're going to look at all of the video. We're going to discuss about it, and then by the 1st of June, okay, everything will be ready in Kalam and also other platform. So you can start watching the instructional materials on writing, how to write summary. Because for your midterm, remember you have two component. One is reading, okay. Another one is writing summary, right? Another one is writing summary. Okay, right. So for this activity, for this exercise, oh no, for this assessment, all right. So we also going to conduct it online, whereby you are going to be given like maybe the question in the form of Google form. Okay, so you can just answer the question there. And then for the summary, right, we haven't decided, but this Thursday we're going to decide. For the summary, it is going to be either you are allowed to write, okay, handwriting, or you can also type it using your computer. Guys, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay. So for midterm assessment, okay, midterm test, so you have the option for the writing part, writing component, okay, you can type it, okay, using your Microsoft Word, you convert to PDF and then you upload it to the given platform, or you can also use your handwriting and then upload it to me. Okay, so if you remember the first survey, the first few survey that we have given to you, it is stated there Google Classroom or Moodle. You still remember that?
Yes.
Okay, so for the assessment purpose, all right, we're going to use Moodle.
Okay.
Okay, except for assessment two, which will be conducted using Socrative, the rest will be conducted using Google Classroom. Okay, for my case, for my classes, okay, I am using Google Classroom. Okay, and I'm sure based on the survey feedback that you have given to me, all of you have a Gmail account, so shouldn't be a problem. So just to get you familiarized with Google Classroom later on, okay, I'm going to teach you on how to use it and such. But I believe, okay, you still have time until 1st of June. Maybe you can explore, you can Google on how to use Google Classroom. So that is for midterm test. Okay, so if you notice midterm test over here, it is stated that it is going to be conducted for 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. It will be the same case with self-access activity, whereby we are going to allow you to have one whole day, maybe. Okay, we haven't finalized this issue yet, so you have the whole day to complete the task. Okay, because we are considering other students who have a limited internet access, okay, and then they couldn't perform the task within the time given, 1 hour and 30 minutes. So maybe we are going to allow you to answer for midterm test one whole day. So you have a longer time to answer all the reading exercises, the reading questions, okay, and then you will have a longer time for you to answer the written part, which is writing summary. Okay, right.
Okay.
That is for midterm test. So if you have any question, okay, let me have a look at the chat part. Do you have any question? No. Okay. No, no, no. All right. Let's move on to the next assessment. Okay. So the next assessment here, persuasive presentation. I've told you earlier in our beginning of the semester, okay, this is going to be a pair work. Yes or no? Class, are you with me?
Yes.
Only one responded. Yeah,
Yeah.
you mute the mic. Okay, no worries. Okay, but make sure that you are listening to me. Okay, you can listen to me. All right. So for persuasive presentation, okay, persuasive presentation. All right. For this part, it is no longer pair work. It is going to be individual work. Okay. So for persuasive presentation, we're not going to have the 10 plus 2 minutes. No more. Okay, so if you still remember, the 2 minutes is supposed to be Q&A. So we're not going to do Q&A, all right? We're going to replace the marks for Q&A with creativity. So you need to be creative in producing your video. Okay, all right. So individually, let's say there are 30 of you, 31G, for example, there are 30 of you in this class, okay? So I will have 30 video given to me. Okay, and then the duration of the presentation is going to be only 10 minutes. So you have to record yourself giving a presentation. Okay, the topic and what you have to do, it will be given to you later on, and we can have the discussion, okay, on how to do the persuasive presentation. All right, but during this particular not weekend, sorry, okay, because today is Saturday. All right, so maybe in week 9 or week 10 of the semester, okay, So you must make sure that you have uploaded all of the video presentation in the Google Classroom.
Okay.
All right. So you have to record your own presentation. Okay. You can use what do you call it? Your own smartphone. Okay. Or if you have your own GoPro, if you have a proper video recorder, so it is up to you. You can use any of the what do you call it devices. Okay. Record yourself within 10 minutes. Okay. So you can edit the video. All right. Make it more interesting, creative, and then you have to upload it to the platform given. Okay, in this case, we are using Google Classroom. Okay, so instead of pair work, this time around, okay, because of the pandemic and it is going to be conducted online, so it is going to be only individual work. All right, so 31G, there are 30 video, 33G, there are 29 video, 34G, there are 30 video because there are 30 of you, and then 36G, there are 27 videos altogether. Okay, so I have to watch all the videos, enjoy it, and then give marks. Okay,
Okay.
all right. Okay, clear. So the last one, the last assessment here is the writing test. Okay, so the writing test, it is going to be argumentative essay. Okay, if you still remember, I've told you that you are going to be given two reading texts. Okay, from
Mhm.
the two reading texts, you have to summarize, you have to paraphrase, and you have to synthesize the information, which is going to be given to you the information, how to summarize, how to paraphrase, how to synthesize the information. Okay, you are going to watch the video recorded by the teaching team. Okay, and you're going to learn about it. So in the writing task, you have two reading texts. You have to get the information from both of the texts, okay, and then you have to do in-text citation. Okay, so in the in-text citation part, you have to cite where you have taken the information from. It's either from text A or text B. And how to do it, okay, we're going to teach you. Right. So the same goes for the last assessment. It's going to be similar like the midterm test, whereby, okay, we are going to upload the question. You look at the question, you read it, okay. You take your own sweet time, okay, maybe within the whole day, one whole day, okay. You can write, you can type your answers,
Okay.
okay. And then by the end of the day, you have to upload your work in the platform given. Okay, again, we are using Google
Classroom.
Classroom. All right. So, and I believe, okay, we have three platforms that we are going to use. Kalam is the official
Mm-hmm.
platform. All right. Another thing is our Facebook group.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then we are going to use Google Classroom as well. Okay. But for the formal learning platform, other than Kalam, okay, let's not talk about Kalam. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
everything will be uploaded there. You can go to Kalam to get the materials if you couldn't access the other two platform. Okay, but in this context, I think we are going to use most of the time is Google Classroom. So I'm going to upload the learning material there, the video. Okay, let's say beginning 1st of June, okay, you are going to learn on how to write summary. Okay, you're going to learn on how to do summarizing, paraphrasing, and synthesizing. So the content there, okay, the learning materials related to that particular topic, okay, I will upload it to Google Classroom. I will create a Google Classroom specifically for you, okay, and then I will give the link, then you can join, okay, according to different section, all right, and then after that, okay, you can watch the video, you can ask me questions and such. When it comes to the assessment, okay, let's say it's going to be conducted in week 8, for example, so I will upload the question there, okay, you just read it. So it is up to you whether you are going to write it or you're going to use your computer to type the answers. You
Okay.
Word, and then you convert it to PDF, and then you upload it back to Google Classroom. So the same goes for persuasive presentation. You record yourself giving a presentation to that particular topic, okay? And then later on, once you have done with the editing part, you are satisfied with the video, you just upload it back to Google Classroom, and then that's it. I will mark the, what do you call it, the presentation. And lastly, the writing test, the same method, okay, you read the question, all right, and then you do your part, you type it, the answers, okay, and then, or maybe you can write it, it's up to you, okay, and then you upload it back to Google Classroom, and then that's it.
All right, sir.
Okay, all right. So, yeah, do you have any question?
No,
No question?
no question.
Okay, all right. So this is the deal. Okay, beginning of 1st of June, all right, during the class session, okay, normally our class is like 12 to 2, 2 to 4, or 10 to 12. For example, 36G, 10 to 12 on Friday. I will be available online, okay, and then maybe from time to time we are going to have like chit chat session like this.
Mm-hmm.
So those who are free, you can join, but it will be recorded as well because some of you might be having a problem to go online, okay, at the same time, synchronously, concurrently. So it will be recorded. I'm going to upload it to the platform, then you can watch it later. Okay, so if you're having problem, sir, I couldn't go live streaming, for example, okay, because the internet is not really stable. No worries. Okay, all right. You can always reach me through WhatsApp. Okay, in our WhatsApp group. Okay, you can WhatsApp me personally. All right, you can go to okay, you can go to Facebook group. You can ask me there. All right, you can text me. You can call me. Okay, I will be available. Not 24 hours, but most of the time. Okay, so as long that you are able to learn, okay, you don't have problem. Okay, I'm able to facilitate the learning process. I feel more than happy.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the new norms that we have to deal with.
Yes.
Is the online class follow the timetable before, sir? No, not really like that. Okay, it is called self-paced learning. Okay, you can put the question in the chat box there. Okay, I will try to answer it. Okay, do we have any other question before that? No. Okay. All right. Having Fikri, is the online class follow the timetable before, sir? No, not really. It is called self-paced learning. So you can watch the instructional materials, the video, okay, on your own, at your own leisure, your own time.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to make sure that everything would be ready before the 1st of June. So beginning 1st of June, I will remind you, okay, this is the class that I have created in Google Classroom. So please join this class. Okay, you just go there, okay, and then you join the class and you can start watching and reading the materials related to the content. So
Okay.
starting 1st of June, we're going to focus more on writing summary. Okay, reading and writing summary. All right, and then I'm sure that most of you don't have your module with you, is it?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, we know that. Okay, because we were told that you are not allowed to bring many things when you go back. Okay, that day. So before, no, not before the pandemic. During the pandemic, okay, I know that some of you were stuck in the university, and then once you were allowed to go back, okay, you are not allowed to bring many things, only necessary things. Okay, so we are going to give you the soft copy version of the module.
Okay.
Okay, so the recording of ourselves, okay, we're going to record ourselves giving a presentation, not presentation, okay, let's say writing. I am in charge for in-text citation, okay, so I will record myself giving a lecture on in-text citation, okay, 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes maximum, okay, so you can watch it on your own. It doesn't mean 12 o'clock. Okay, sir, my class is 31G, and then on Monday, my class is 12 to 2. So do I have to be online 12 to 2? No, it's not like that. Okay, so the thing will be uploaded beforehand. So on the day itself or before that, you can go to Google Classroom, you can watch the video, okay, you can read the slides, you can read the module, you can do the exercises, right? And if you have any question, feel free to ask me. But 12 to 2 on Monday, okay, I will go online. I mean, I'm going to be here ready. Okay, just text me in the WhatsApp. Okay, sir, is it possible that we have a discussion online? Okay, there are a few of us who like to join the discussion. So I will give you the Google Meet link and then you can join it. Or 12 to 2, I will be ready with my phone, okay? And then I'm going to answer the question in WhatsApp. If it is too long, okay, it's going to be a voice recording session. I will record my voice, and then, yeah, you can listen to it again and again. Because
Okay.
sometimes I think typing the messages is like tedious. So it's better for me to record my voice and then I give it to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Don't worry about the module. We will give you the soft copy version. Okay. But basically, it is not like the whole module. Maybe it's going to be in the form of PowerPoint slides. Okay. But basically, the content's about the same. Okay. And then the exercises, we will also give you the exercises online, so you can do it at your own leisure time. Self-paced learning meaning you learn at your own time. Okay, it is not 12 to 2, it is not 2 to 4, it is not 10 to 12. Okay, maybe you are a nocturnal person. Okay, you sleep during daylight and then you keep awake at night. Okay, sir, I am also I'm willing to learn by 10 o'clock at night. Up to you, no problem. Okay, you can do so.
All right.
Right.
All
Okay.
right.
Any other question?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Can I have a last request before we end the session? Okay, this is recorded, but again, I need to have all of your faces. Can you switch on your camera? Make sure the background is okay. Yeah, please switch on all of the camera. I need to snap a photo of you. Yes, just switch on the camera. I need to switch on the camera. I need to snap a photo of it. Guys, can you switch on the camera for a
Yes.
while? Only for a while, okay? This is an evidence, okay, that I've conducted a live chit chat. This is my own initiative, okay. Do not ask other section, okay. I'm not sure whether they are doing the same, okay. But for my section, since that I'm really worried, okay, whether you can learn or not, I'm taking my own initiative to let you know what you're going to do beginning 1st of June and how are we going to conduct all of the assessment, okay.
Mm.
All right. One more. Okay, so if you don't have any other question, I believe that's all. It's only half an hour, yeah, 33 minutes. Okay, thank you very much for joining the session. Stay safe. Do not go out unless it is really important for you. Yeah, I know, been staying in the house for like a very long time. Oh, so tiring.
Yes.
Okay, the most important thing that until we find, they are able to find the vaccine for this pandemic, so please take a good care of yourself, okay? If you
Yes.
have anything to ask me, okay, and then maybe you're afraid to ask in the group, you can WhatsApp me personally, okay? I'll attend to it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right, so I believe that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah, thank you for the wishes on Teachers Day. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. All right, okay.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum and
Bye.
bye, everyone.